Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to debate. My name is Anand Panchip. The topic for this debate is solar energy should replace our traditional form of energy. The affirmative team to my left and the negative team to my right. The speaking time for debate is 3 minutes. Okay, sorry. The speaking time for debate is 2 minutes. A single word email will be 1 minute, and double book is as the speaking time continues.
Good afternoon, teacher and friends. My name is Thanyakon Ikaraswat. We have 3 reasons why we have to agree with solar energy should be replaced with our traditional form of energy. Today, our world receives a huge amount of sunlight. The global temperature has gone up by 0.75 degrees Celsius. So we must as well make use of it. Solar energy is create absolutely no waste or emissions. And solar energy is renewable, meaning no matter what, we cannot run out of this energy as long as the sun is alive. NASA scientists said the sun is little less than halfway through the timeline and will last other 6.5 billion years before it sinks down to be a white dwarf.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Thanyakon Ikaraswat. I'm from negative team. This cannot be used during the night. We can use solar cell only daytime because solar cell panel is converting for solar cell into electricity, but can store resulting in no electricity at night.
Good afternoon, my name is Pantita Konrad. So as the negative team says, it may be real that solar cell can save energy in the night, but energy that they save in the day is enough to use. That solar cell can save energy in the night is not a problem at all. More than that, it's environmentally friendly because it doesn't cause pollution, even though there are certain emissions associated with the manufacturing, transportation, and installation of the panel. These emissions are nothing compared to traditional energy source. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Panita Kongson. I'm from negative team. With high capital, we must use many solar cell for good efficiency in electricity generation. Maybe we cannot use solar cell and have disadvantage, like thin film solar cell that have lower efficiency. Maybe we have to increase cost. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Papa Sutis. I'm from negative team. If the weather not provides, we must use when have sunshine. If the weather is bad, like rainy, cloudy, the want we have solar cell for electricity generation and energy consumption cannot store like battery. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Idaya Kitiamunpan. It may be true that the solar cell is expensive, but it's worth to pay because we can use the long-term energy of solar cell, and power from solar cell is can sell to government. In addition, solar energy is not noisy. There are no that create a sound in the most or application of solar power compared to other environmentally friendly alternatives such as wind turbine. Solar is favorable because of this silent. So, the solar energy should replace all traditional form of energy because solar energy creates absolutely no waste or emission and renewable. Solar energy is friendly for environment and is not create a sound. Thank you.